FloorSmart Cleanse is our heavy-duty floor cleaner which will easily clean concreted, tiled, lacquered or painted floors. And with its non-slip formulation, it's ideal for areas with a high traffic flow. It's a low foam product designed for use with floor cleaning machines. With its strong degreasing power, FloorSmart Cleanse will cut through the dirtiest, greasiest and oiliest floors. For really tough cleaning, dilute it 1 to 10. And for regular lighter cleaning, it can be diluted up to 1 to 100. And this isn't any ordinary floor cleaner. It's completely safe to use. There are no solvents and it's perfectly suited for machine use. FloorSmart Cleanse is non-tainting, which means you can use it in food preparation or storage areas. Speak to your local Autosmart franchisee for a free demonstration or for more information about this market-leading floor cleaner. And get your floor looking cleaner today.